Hey, it's your friend in real estate, Derek DeVille with Century 21 Rose Realty. And what I've got behind me right here is a property that I just listed, and I'm gonna walk you through it. Let's check it out. So as you can see, we got some beautiful curb appeal here, large mature shade tree. And what I love what the owner did here is you see all this extra concrete over here, and also RV parking, which will fit a trailer, or anything like that. So we have that great space there. Also has the privacy slats, as you can see. 2-car attached garage. And some really lush green grass. So let me walk you through this thing I just listed. It's a beautiful property. It's a good size home too. It's just under 1,700 square feet. 3 bedroom, 2 bath. And we've got this really cool bonus room too. I'll show you also. So you see nice green grass over here. Nice covered porch. We got a little sitting area here if you want to enjoy your morning coffee or tea. And here's a little peek at the back here. We've got concrete on the side with more privacy fencing, and I'll show you that after we walk through the house. So let's go ahead and get going through this thing. All right. So I'm going to point out some really cool stuff to you. First off is going to be the really nice large tile floors that's laid in a diamond pattern. So it really makes the room appear larger than it even is. That combined with the new upgraded tall baseboard, the 2-tone paint is awesome. And this house has some really cool features too, like this granite we've got in here. You know, just little touches. This has got a nice beveled edge on it. And let's take a look here at the living room. Tall vaulted ceilings, which is really nice. Nice big ceiling fan there. We got some good windows there, and a corner window letting in some natural light. So that is the living room. Here's the family room. So you can see we got a nice warm fireplace in here, another nice ceiling fan. That same beautiful tile is continued throughout here. And then we've got big dual sliders there that goes out to the backyard, which I'll show you that. And then we've got this nice dining area with the chair rail, which is, I think it's just a really cool kind of traditional amenity there. And here's the kitchen. We got some upgrades in here too. Obviously, most notably, the granite countertops with the beveled edge there. We got some clean, nice appliances. Big garden window. This kitchen has tons and tons and tons of storage. It's just packed with storage, and I really like this backsplash. I mean, take a look at this big granite backsplash. Really nice. And then, of course, this would be your view if you were sitting here doing your dishes. Not too bad of a view. Very, very nice. And if you're wondering, this granite does continue back behind this all the way to the garden window. So great area to prepare and enjoy delicious meals. So that's the main living area. Like I said, I got a bonus area I'm going to show you, but I'm going to save that for a little bit. So let me take you down the hallway. We got a storage closet here for your coats and all that good stuff. We've got a nice little area here that has some more storage. We've got that same beautiful granite here. Those large tile floors do go all the way down the hallway, which is really important because, as you know, that's a high traffic area. So it's really popular to have the tile in the hallways and main living areas, and then the bedrooms have the carpet, which is just easier on your feet. So we've got that here. This is one of the bedrooms, and I'll let you guess whether it's a boy or girl's room. You may or may not be correct. And we got some nice mirrored wardrobe closet doors there. And here is bedroom number 2. And watch out for this guy. He'll get you. Watch out. So nice ceiling fans in here. Nice room. And here is bathroom number 1. This bathroom also has that beautiful beveled edge granite and the large tile floors. Just a really clean, just a really nice place. And the master bedroom right here, which is a big size. I mean, this is a huge bed, and there's just plenty of room, as you can see on both sides of the bed. We've got a lot of room. We've got the chair rail in here also. We've got ceiling fans in here too. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans. This is all one big closet. So it's a triple slider, just tons and tons of storage in there. And then let me show you the bathroom. So here we go. So what you can see we have here is we've got the sink, and we've got some more of that beautiful granite, but we also have a really nice little powder area. And so, you know, if you're in the morning, want to do your makeup, whatever, you've got a nice little area to sit here. It also has the granite backsplash, which I think is a nice upgrade, something that's functional that you'll use. And then, of course, we got the shower tub combo in there. So let me show you the bonus area I was talking about that I've been teasing you with. I'm gonna deliver. Here it comes. Let's get you over here. So here's the entry where we started. So this home was actually a model home. So this room was the real estate agent's office, or their sales office. And as you can see, this room also has that nice, beautiful tile in it. And this is a great area. I mean, if you had a home salon, maybe you wanted a spot, you know, to do your client's hair, or you can see this owner's using it as an art and craft room, or it could be a kid's room, or if you homeschool your kids, or if you own a business, or if, you know, if you're doing something like that. So also your laundry is indoors also, so you've got your laundry here. And then I'm gonna give you a peek. I think we'll give you a little peek of the garage that we can take a look at that. So we got a racing red here on the walls. Lots of storage if you're interested, or if your clients are interested, put that in the offer. Maybe we'll throw in some storage for you, huh? And let me show you the backyard. We'll give you a peek there. So I got the information in the description, guys. If you have any questions, 760-559-4805 is my cell. Man, these new sliders, gosh, they just slide so nice. Look at that. So here we are in the backyard. We got a big covered patio, really nice. This is a deep one too. I'm gonna give you a peek around the corner. So we got the concrete here on the side, the privacy slat fencing. We got some nice little curbing here in the back. We've got some rock, and you can see we've got some matured trees back here. Just a really, really nice area. I mean, you could be doing barbecues out here. You can see the owner's got the barbecue set up. Kids could be jumping or playing. You could put grass in here if you wanted, or you can keep it low water use like that. And there's just a lot of options with this property. So that's the place, guys. This is a killer property, will not last, I guarantee you. If you're interested, or if you have a client that's interested, send it to them right away, because it will be gone. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.